What is up, everyone? This is MoTutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the infinite or automatic scrolling that is occurring on your Windows 10 or 11 device. So let's get right into this. So the easiest way to fix this is just go to your search bar and just type in mouse until you see mouse settings pop up. In here, I want you to basically turn off the scroll inactive windows when I hover over them item that you're seeing over here. This is one of the reasons why this is happening. And then after you've done that, the next thing you want to do is type in device manager, hover over into wherever it says your mouse is. Basically find, you might have more than one, wherever your mouse is, right click into it and do update driver and essentially update the driver for this and then go from there. If that doesn't work, you can always uninstall it, restart your computer, and it'll automatically install again and then go from there as well. Once you do these steps, you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please smash that like, thumbs up. You guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that MoTutorials out. Peace.